Hello, I'm Rusafa. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the value of temperature in Celsius from Fahrenheit, and it will make a conversion table. There will be conversions from -10 Fahrenheit to 100 Fahrenheit, which will be shown in Celsius, and we are going to make a table that will have titles named one column will be Fahrenheit and another column will be Celsius. Okay, let's first start the program. First of all, we have to declare functions since I'm going to do this as a top-down design. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, the program will want the value from the user, its value from user. This is my function name, and it will be an integer type since the value is going to be saved here. Then makes the conversion table. Then it will make a conversion table. Then it will return 0, but if we run it now, it won't work because it doesn't know what it's doing. But I have to declare the prototypes above main. So let's declare the prototypes. And it will be a void type, void. Now what I have to do is declare this function, extend this function below. So here what we will do is I'm going to declare a new variable which is float, because temperature can both be integer or float. So it's better to write float Fahrenheit, and it will print the value of Fahrenheit in this way. Enter the value of temperature in Fahrenheit. So here is this. That's it. Then it's going to scan, otherwise the value is not going to be saved. Scanf percentage. We are not going to write here %d. We are going to write here %f since it's a float data type. And once we declare a variable of one name, we can't change the spelling, otherwise it won't understand. In the previous code given, in the given code, there is a mistake here and the variable should be very specific. So it is Fahrenheit. That's it, then it will return this Fahrenheit. That's it. So this is the function. Then what we have to do is we are going to declare this function, and the whole process of converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius will be included in this function. That's it, and here it will be integer Fahrenheit. We can write here Fahrenheit. We have given prototypes, we have named functions, we are almost done. Now we have to do this, the main thing. The main thing is I'm going to make this conversion table from -10 Fahrenheit to 100. So we know the limits. We are going to start from -10, we are going to end until the Fahrenheit is equal to or less than -100. Equal to or less than 100. Sorry, it's not -100, it's 100. So we can initialize a for loop here, which will show for Fahrenheit equals to -10, for Fahrenheit equals to -10, Fahrenheit is less than equals to 100. Fahrenheit, what will it do in the next steps is it will be equal and increment it by +10. It will be incremented by +10 because if it doesn't, then it will not print the whole table. So we have to do this, and later we have to write the equation for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius, which is equals to Celsius equals to, but it doesn't know anything about Celsius. So we have to declare a new variable called float Celsius. That's it. Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. That's it. After that, what will it print? We want that it will print firstly Fahrenheit, then a space, and it will be better if we put a tab, then it will print Celsius. Then we are going to put a tab here. After that, we are going to put Celsius, and it will go on until the Fahrenheit is equals to 100. Then what we are going to do? We are going to print the answers. But if we do it right now, what it will do is Fahrenheit tab Celsius, and then it will start printing the answers. So we want a clean page, and now we have to put a new line for that. Exactly. Now we'll write %F tab %F. Here the first %F is for Fahrenheit, and the second %F is for Celsius. Hopefully it will work now. Let's write the comments here. Reads the value. So what this function does, reads the value from user and saves it inside the variable Fahrenheit. And what it does now, starts calculating from -10 Fahrenheit and ends up when Fahrenheit is 100 or less than 100. And what another thing it does is it increments by 10. It increments by +10 after every step. Set. So let's run the code. It will form a table. We don't need the user's value now, because only for the user value we have to just write the equation and then print the result. But we don't have to use the value from the user now, because it will only form a table. Hopefully it will run. Alright. Let's write -10. It gives -10, 0, 10. But here the Fahrenheit and Celsius is repeating because I have entered them inside the for loop. But if I do that, if I take them outside the loop, then it won't show. It will just show this Fahrenheit and Celsius. So as I told you that here the entrance of the temperature from the user is not necessary, but only in case of computing the value, the temperature is needed from the user. So that's how the code works. Thank you.